Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another price prediction for Dogecoin for May 2024, talking about a cryptocurrency which is under heavy selling pressure, just like the altcoin markets, including the BTC that is part of the correction phase right now. Folks, we're speaking about a potential level of turning around, reversal the markets, and reversing the markets very well. At the end of the day, I'm not really surprised about the numbers under Dogecoin, and I would actually consider the fact that we have a significant volume of $1.7 billion, yet we have not decreased that much a lot of the people would have expected. So Dogecoin is definitely not sitting in a bad shape as it looks right now. There is definitely a retracement coming in from the highs for sure. That is very valuable, but during this market highly pressured momentums, you didn't saw anything wild under Dogecoin conditions, right? So we have not seen, for example, Cardano dumping, 20%, and you would have had Dogecoin dumping 50, right? Usually you have these meme coins suffering more than the usual alts. In this case scenario, the meme coins or the Doge coins have been pretty much following a very similar reaction in the markets, which is very, very welcome. Before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching with me for those of you that are looking to become professional traders or learn how to trade correctly. I'll talk about it at the end of the video, including about my ChatGPT bot trading possibility. If you want to be part of my trading journey, you can definitely do so. We have our bot that is doing the trading for you completely outsourced without any upfront fees, just a commission from the pure profits made. I'll talk about it at the end, folks. Now, the daily candlesticks for Dogecoin is portraying the numbers in the following way. Like I've told you, retracement is, at the end of the day, significant, is 46%. Definitely not as big as some of the alts have crossed 60%, so that's a positive sign out there. And usually you got basically movements on the meme coins or Doge coins that are generating under selling pressure bigger numbers, which is not really the case for Dogecoin. As you can see right now, the market is trying to find support on a significant level. This level is the golden pocket of the previous high structure created with number one target on 16 cents, right? So back in the day, we have basically the 16 cents as major high established at some point back in 2022, and this is generating our golden pocket that is at the moment reacting under triple condition. I would say we got another two structures reacting at the same level right now. It's pretty much welcome to do that reaction as well. Losing this one will obviously generate another 25% selling pressure, putting us on the median line of the end-short volume weighted average price, including the range of support that is appearing on 10 cents. Well, that's the next target. If this one is lost for Dogecoin, you want to go for 10 cents buying pressure. Otherwise, you definitely want to consider that 12 cents is a level that must hold. And then what to expect about it. What's the prediction for May? Well, the first thing is obviously the previous high located on 16 cents right there, which means we got to break out of the downtrending resistance line of the whole correction phase, which is, by the way, something we have to do for the majority of altcoins. In order to reach our next target for May, we got to exit of the retracement and correction momentum that is pretty much going around the alts for a while already. And this is going to throw us into a momentum of 16 cents that might generate a bit of a selling pressure. Yeah, that shouldn't really cross levels that are sitting, below 13.6.7, from where that would be the ultimate level you would actually find yourself. From there, you can actually push the market into the upper 1.272 extension green line, including a major supply zone on 19 cents. That is an ultimate target. Definitely not easy to be touched in May. Yeah, even the first target is 28%, which isn't something that bothers me in terms of how high it is. Definitely not. 28% is something that Dogecoin can do in a single day. We just have to be that kind of bullish to deliver those numbers. So 28% is extremely feasible, with a minor correction afterwards that ends near to the top, and another push, another leg towards 19 cents would actually give us an extra 35% from that low. From this level, to the 19 cents, you have a 50% movement, folks. This would be a complete rally, just like we did in the past to that level. We could retest, take the liquidity, even going higher a little bit on 1.414 red line. You have a supply zone over there. So pretty much at that level, when you get into a great shape, things can be really wild for this kind of meme coins. You never know exactly how hard the liquidity goes around and how hard it can wick to the upside. Just like in the past, we stopped at 18, 19 cents, as you can see, but we have wicked into the 21 cents, slightly above 20 cents. So you can wick even more than 10% in a candlestick. That could be the volatility of Doge during a day of trading. So this is what I'm telling you, folks. When you have the liquidity grabbed on the highs and shorts getting liquidated and longs getting pumped and people FOMO into such crypto, things can go very, very wild, printing huge numbers in a single day. This is something that we could expect as well in the highs, always and always. Just like when it comes down to the market crashes, it's the same story basically. It's very, very emotional and panic selling going around the corner during these days. Dogecoin is not sitting in a bad shape. First target for May, 16 cents. Second target, 18, 19 cents, folks. Check out this video till the end, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk about the coaching and the completely done for you trading. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset, psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process, and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is an advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.